Welcome to Zero Master Channel. My name is Peki, and we continue battle David vs Goliath. Yes, one programmer vs multi-million betting industry. So what we have now, we will analyze result from the last weekend and see how Spartacus did it. So for what we seeing now, from 11 total games, from 11 games he have 4 correct and 7 wrong. It's 36%. Okay, this is still above the line, so we are still in the plus. For example, if you put $1 in 11 games, you have 11, you lose $11, but you get 4 multiply 3, you have $12. So we are $1 in plus. So we will see games. Like you see, every game was very close, except this one, 1-3, and this one. So only, okay, 3 big miss, and all other was nearby. So can go on both way. And now we will see what we will have in next 7 days, and we will check this Egypt Premier League. It's 60% of probability to be draw. So we will follow these games, and we still have some Italian games, Premier Serie A, Premier League, and other stuff. So please continue follow my channel, and we will see if Spartacus can go above 40%. That is something what it's on our mind. If he don't reach that numbers, of course we will change to some other. We will trade some other model. I want to show you one more thing. It's regarding active liga. I had 10 ligas from the last weekend, and now we have 49 active ligas, and maybe 20 ligas they are still waiting to start in those countries. So we have 40 ligas from Europe, almost all liga. In America and Asia we have 3 and 2 ligas. I'm trying every day to add more and more ligas. What does it mean? That we have a bigger scope of predictions, so we can find maybe highest predict match in some of those leagues. I have one more important information to share with you guys. pzmprediction.com, you go there, application is live, and you can see all predictions and all information regarding our application about Spartacus future matches, how he did it on this website. This is all for now, and please follow my channel and see you in the next days. Bye.